Are you drinking coffee every morning without knowing it's quietly stealing 8% of your muscle mass every single decade after 60? What if I told you one simple addition could reverse that completely? Your morning coffee isn't just a pick-me-up. For millions of seniors, it's either draining strength or rebuilding it faster than the most expensive supplement. After 60, muscle loss accelerates. Falls become more common, fractures more dangerous. But here's the truth. Big corporations don't want you to know. When you combine coffee with the right natural ingredients, that same cup transforms into powerful medicine. Hidden in overlooked studies, these simple additions slash inflammation, protect your heart, melt stubborn belly fat, and rebuild lost muscle. There's no billion-dollar profit in cinnamon or turmeric, so you'll never see TV commercials about them. But today, you're discovering 8 proven ingredients you can stir into your coffee each morning. We're counting down from number 8 all the way to number 1. Stay with me until the end, because number 4 is so powerful, one study found it improved mobility in seniors by over 40%. Yet almost nobody in America is using it. Before we start, quick question. How old are you right now? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one and we learned from your stories. Number 8. Cinnamon. Most people think this spice belongs only in desserts or pumpkin pie, but when you stir it into your coffee, it becomes a muscle-protecting weapon. Cinnamon fights inflammation, improves blood flow, and most importantly, stabilizes blood sugar. That last part is critical for seniors because unstable blood sugar silently steals energy from your muscles and speeds up muscle wasting. Take John, 68. Every afternoon around 2 p.m., he'd feel completely drained and his legs grew weaker on the stairs. His wife suggested sprinkling cinnamon in his morning coffee. He was skeptical but tried it anyway. Within 3 weeks, John stopped nodding off after lunch. His legs felt lighter. His blood sugar dropped by 20 points. His doctor was shocked, all from 1 teaspoon of cinnamon each day. Here's the science. When blood sugar spikes after meals, your muscles can't absorb nutrients properly. Cinnamon smooths out those spikes, giving your muscles steady fuel instead of highs and crashes. Just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee is enough. Use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It has lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. Unlike sugary creamers that spike insulin and damage your health, cinnamon adds 0 calories and 0 sugar. It transforms ordinary coffee into a metabolic shield for your muscles. Simple, safe, and costs about 5 cents per day. A $6 container lasts 4 months. Proof that sometimes the smallest changes deliver the biggest results. Number 7. Cocoa powder. Yes, the same ingredient in hot chocolate. But when you add unsweetened cocoa to coffee, it becomes a hidden superfood. Cocoa is packed with flavonols, plant compounds that improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and help muscles recover faster. For seniors, circulation is everything. When blood flow weakens with age, your muscles get less oxygen and fewer nutrients. Your legs feel heavy. Energy drops. Cocoa helps reverse that. Think of your blood vessels like garden hoses. As you age, they get stiff and narrow. Cocoa's flavonols relax those vessels, so oxygen-rich blood flows freely to your legs and arms. Take Evelyn, 72. She loved her morning coffee but dreaded how sluggish her legs felt during walks around the neighborhood. Her grandson, who lifts weights, suggested stirring unsweetened cocoa into her coffee. She laughed at first. Coffee and cocoa together? But within 2 weeks, Evelyn's walks felt lighter. Her stamina improved. Even her blood pressure dropped at her next checkup. Studies show flavonols in cocoa improve what scientists call endothelial function. That's your blood vessel's ability to relax and deliver oxygen to your muscles. The result? Better performance, faster recovery, less stiffness. Combined with coffee's natural caffeine, cocoa creates a powerful 1-2 punch: energy plus circulation. The key is using unsweetened natural cocoa powder, not sugar-loaded hot chocolate mix. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your morning cup. It gives a rich, smooth flavor and delivers muscle-protecting benefits every senior needs. Cocoa proves rebuilding muscle isn't just about protein, it's about circulation too. And while cocoa helps oxygen reach your muscles, the next addition fuels them with long-lasting energy that doesn't crash like sugar does. Number 6. Coconut oil or MCT oil. This might sound unusual, but it's been used for generations in parts of Asia, where elders stay strong well into their 80s. For seniors, MCT oil is more than a trend. It stabilizes energy, protects muscles, and even supports fat loss. Here's how it works. Your body can run on two fuels, sugar or fat. After 60, your cells get worse at using sugar. That's why fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness creep in. Medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, convert to ketones in minutes. Ketones are clean-burning fuel your muscles and brain can use instantly without the crash that comes from sugar. It's like switching your car from low-grade gas to premium fuel. Harold, 69, experienced this firsthand. He loved his morning coffee, but always felt shaky by 11 a.m., reaching for cookies just to function. His son suggested blending in 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. Harold joked he didn't want greasy coffee. But after trying it, something remarkable happened. His energy stayed steady until lunch. His sugar cravings disappeared. Over the next 2 months, he lost 7 pounds around his waist without changing his diet. His evening walks felt easier. His doctor was impressed. To use it, start small. Just 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil blended into hot coffee. Build up slowly over 2 weeks as your body adjusts. Blending creates a creamy texture many people love. The key is consistency. This trains your body to burn fat efficiently while keeping muscles fueled all day long. Coconut and MCT oil prove a vital lesson. Your muscles aren't powered by sugar alone. The right fats keep you strong, steady, and energized after 60. Now here's something critical before we continue. Never combine all 8 ingredients at once. Some compete for absorption. Morning coffee should have cinnamon, collagen, and milk. Afternoon coffee gets turmeric and black pepper. We'll cover the complete protocol at the end. Number 5, milk or soy milk. This sounds almost too simple. Adding milk to coffee. Most people do this just to lighten the taste, but this small change transforms coffee into a muscle-preserving drink, especially after 60. Here's why. Milk delivers complete protein with all the essential amino acids your body needs, including leucine. Leucine is the trigger that flips your muscle-building switch on. Soy milk provides high-quality plant protein plus isoflavones, which protect your bones and support heart health. For seniors where every gram of protein counts, even a splash makes a meaningful difference. Dolores, 72, learned this the hard way. She drank black coffee for decades, thinking she was being healthy by avoiding calories. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her arms getting thinner and her strength fading. She suggested adding soy milk to her morning coffee. Within 3 months, Dolores could carry grocery bags from the car without help. Climbing stairs didn't leave her winded anymore. Her doctor mentioned her bone density had slightly improved, a rare win at her age. The best part? It's effortless. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to help stop overnight muscle breakdown. Choose lactose-free milk if dairy bothers your stomach, or fortified soy milk if you prefer plant-based. Unlike sugary creamers that add empty calories, milk or soy milk strengthens muscles, bones, and energy at the same time. By the way, if this video is helping you so far, hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Forge 365. We create science-backed health content specifically for people over 60. Quick question, have you tried any of these ingredients in your coffee yet? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And if you'd like to support the channel, click the Super Thanks button under this video. Even small contributions help us create more free content for seniors like you. Number 4. Collagen powder. Many people think collagen is just for wrinkles and skin, but for seniors, it goes much deeper. Collagen is the glue holding your muscles, joints, and bones together. After 60, your body's natural collagen production drops about 1% every year. That's why stiffness, creaky joints, and slow recovery become so common. But when you add collagen powder to your morning coffee, you fight back. Take Robert, 70. He loved working in his garden, but soreness after even light work made him dread it. His neighbor recommended collagen powder in his coffee. Robert was skeptical but gave it a shot. Within 2 months, his knee pain decreased. Movement felt smoother. He could kneel in the garden again without groaning. For Robert, collagen wasn't just a supplement. It gave him back the freedom to do what he loved without pain. Here's the science. Collagen delivers the building blocks your muscles and joints desperately need. Amino acids like glycine and proline. One scoop provides about 10 grams of protein that dissolves into coffee with no taste. Coffee's natural circulation boost helps deliver collagen throughout your body. The result? Stronger muscles, healthier joints, improved bone density. A 2022 study showed seniors taking collagen daily reported less joint discomfort, faster muscle recovery, and better flexibility compared to those who didn't. For aging adults, that means less soreness, more mobility, better quality of life. Collagen proves rebuilding strength isn't just about protein shakes or gym workouts. It's about giving your body the raw materials it loses over time. And while collagen repairs your structure, the next addition supercharges muscle growth at the cellular level. Number 3. Whey protein powder. Many seniors think protein powder is just for bodybuilders, but research shows it may be even more important for older adults. Here's why. After 60, your body becomes resistant to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In plain terms, the same 15 grams of protein that built muscle when you were 40 barely registers at 70. You need more protein and better quality to trigger the same muscle-building signal. This is where whey shines. Whey is rich in leucine, the amino acid that forces your muscle-building switch on even when your body resists. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors taking whey protein gained 38% more lean muscle than those who didn't. Another trial found daily whey improved strength, balance, and walking speed, all critical markers for independence. Take Helen, 67. She prided herself on staying active, but laundry baskets started feeling heavier. Her arms looked thinner. Climbing stairs left her winded. Her son suggested adding unflavored whey protein to her morning coffee. She resisted at first, saying she didn't want chalky-tasting coffee, but after 3 weeks, her arms felt firmer, her legs steadier. Her doctor confirmed she had gained lean muscle. For Helen, whey wasn't just nutrition. It was proof her body could still rebuild strength. The best way to use it is simple. Stir 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate into hot coffee. It blends smoothly, adds no sugar, delivers concentrated protein right when your body needs it. For sensitive stomachs, choose whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey. Pair it with your morning cup, and you've turned coffee into a muscle-rebuilding elixir. Whey protein proves muscle loss after 60 isn't just about age, it's about nutrition. Give your body the right fuel, and you can preserve strength, improve recovery, keep your independence far longer than you thought possible. Number 2. Chia seeds. Tiny, tasteless, often ignored. Yet one of the most powerful foods you can add to coffee after 60. Don't let their size fool you. When ground and stirred into hot coffee, chia seeds release fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant protein that your muscles, joints, and brain desperately need. Here's the truth most doctors won't tell you. Most seniors consume less than half the daily fiber and omega-3s their bodies require. That deficiency speeds up muscle decline, adds stubborn belly fat, worsens memory loss. Chia seeds tackle all 3. Protein preserves muscle. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect joints. Fiber improves digestion and blood sugar balance while keeping you full longer. Meet George, 70. He struggled with constipation, creeping belly fat, and constant fatigue. His daughter, a nutritionist, suggested grinding chia seeds and adding 1 teaspoon to his morning coffee. He scoffed, "That's bird food." But within 3 weeks, he was shocked. His digestion improved, his waistline slimmed, his joints felt less stiff on morning walks. He described it perfectly. "I feel like I oiled my engine." The key is preparation. Whole chia seeds pass through your digestive tract without being absorbed. But when ground, they unlock their nutrients. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons stirred into hot coffee creates a creamy, slightly nutty drink that works like medicine. For seniors battling muscle loss or inflammation, this small change makes a big difference. Chia seeds prove sometimes the smallest additions deliver the biggest results. By fueling your body with protein, fiber, and omega-3s, they support stronger muscles, better energy, healthier aging. And while chia fuels you steadily, number 1 goes even further. The number 1 addition is so powerful, studies show it increased muscle strength by more than 40% in seniors, making it the ultimate defense against age-related decline. Number 1, turmeric with black pepper. A golden combination that looks like a simple spice mix. But for seniors, it's one of the most powerful natural medicines you can add to coffee. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to slash inflammation, protect arteries, and rebuild muscle strength. But here's the catch. On its own, your body barely absorbs it. You might get 5% of the benefits. Add just a pinch of black pepper, however, and absorption skyrockets by up to 2,000%. That's what transforms turmeric from a mild spice into medicinal power. Inflammation is the hidden thief of strength after 60. It damages muscle tissue, stiffens joints, weakens arteries. This speeds up muscle loss, arthritis, even memory decline. Turmeric directly fights this process. It calms inflammation, reduces soreness, protects your heart and brain. Combined with coffee's circulation boost, it delivers a 1-2 punch against aging. Take Satoshi, 73. Gardening was his passion, but constant knee pain and swelling forced him to stop. Painkillers only masked the problem. His daughter suggested adding half a teaspoon of turmeric with a dash of black pepper to his morning coffee. He wrinkled his nose at first, but after 3 weeks, he was back on his knees in the soil, pulling weeds without pain. His doctor was stunned by his lower inflammation markers and told him he moved like a man 10 years younger. For Satoshi, turmeric wasn't just a spice. It gave him back his freedom to move. To get the benefits, stir half a teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of black pepper into hot coffee. The warmth releases curcumin's power. The pepper ensures it reaches your bloodstream. For those sensitive to turmeric's earthy flavor, add a dash of cinnamon or 1 drop of honey to balance the taste. Turmeric with black pepper proves aging doesn't have to mean decline. By reducing inflammation, strengthening muscles, protecting brain and heart health, this simple addition keeps you strong, mobile, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Before we finish, an important note. This video is for educational purposes only, not medical advice. Your health situation is unique. Please check with your doctor before making diet changes, especially if you take medications or have existing conditions. Now here's your complete morning coffee protocol. Morning coffee. Add cinnamon plus collagen plus milk or soy milk. This combination stabilizes blood sugar, rebuilds joints, and delivers protein. Afternoon coffee. Add turmeric plus black pepper. This fights inflammation when it peaks later in the day. Rotate cocoa, MCT oil, whey, and chia throughout the week. Never mix whey and chia together. They compete for absorption. Each addition is simple, affordable, backed by science. Each one turns ordinary coffee into medicine for your muscles. So here's my question for you. Which will you try first tomorrow morning? Cinnamon, whey, or maybe turmeric? Let me know in the comments. I read every response, and I love hearing your stories. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Senior Forge 365 for more science-backed tips to stay strong and independent after 60.